Okay. So this is question number 25. We will find the equation of a line which is passing through, we will find the equation of plane which is passing through the point P naught 2 comma 4 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line x is equal to 5 plus t, y is equal to 1 plus 3t, z is equal to 4t. First of all, we found the vector parallel to the line, that is 1i plus 3j plus 4k. So this is the vector v. This is the vector v which is parallel to the line. We have to find the equation of a plane which is perpendicular to this vector. So that means it will be the n. This vector v is equal to n, normal vector to the plane. This will be considered as the normal vector to the plane. Now we'll take another point x on the plane. Let x, x, y, z on the plane. Faisal Javed 61899. What happened? Out. We will find the vector P naught x. That will be x minus 2i plus y minus 4j plus z minus 5k. This is the vector on the plane which is passing through P naught. From P naught to the x. From P naught to the x. So that will be the vector P naught x. Now we will find the equation of the plane. Equation of the plane will be equal to n dot P naught x equal to 0. N dot P naught x equal to 0. Yes, anyone may convey to Rayan Shahid that he must write his ID, otherwise he will not be allowed. Okay, we will take n dot P naught x. N is I plus 3j plus 4k. Dot P naught x, x minus 2i plus y minus 4j plus z minus 5k whole equal to 0. And this vector P naught x will be taken in the bracket, and there is a dot product equal to 0. This is equal to 0. I am writing over there equal to 0. Take the dot product. I is multiplied with I, j is multiplied with j, k is multiplied with k. So I multiplied with I, this is 1. 1 into x minus 1, 1 into x minus 2 plus 3, j is multiplied with j. 3 into y minus 4 plus 4 into z minus 5. 4 into z minus 5 is equal to 0. 64250. Simplify this one. X minus 2 plus 3y minus 12 plus 4z minus 20 equal to 0. That will become x plus 3y plus 4z. Minus 2 minus 12 will be minus 14 and minus 20 will be minus 34 or equal to 34. Or equal to 34. X plus 3y plus 4z equal to 34. This is the equation of the plane. Required equation of the plane, x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 34. Muhammad Mustafa 64177. Muhammad Mustafa, you missed the first session. Yes, Roshan.
सर मैं ये बोला था कि ये 3 - 4 जब होगा तो 7 नहीं होगा ये
कौन
3y
सा?
के बाद 3y के बाद जो है नीचे नीचे
अच्छा, ये
नहीं इससे पहले 3y के बाद जो है वो 12 आप ये माइनस जब होगा तो 7 नहीं होगा।
कौन सा -7 हो जाएगा? 3 into 4 will be -12. तो
ठीक
7
है,
कैसे हो गया?
नहीं ठीक है, वो मेरी गलती थी, सही है।
ओके, ओके. Now the next question. (26) Find the equation of the plane through 1, -2, 1 and perpendicular to the vector from the origin. So from the origin to OA, we will find the vector OA, that will be n. We will find the vector OA. O will be the origin 0, 0, 0. We will find the vector OA, that will be the origin. OA will be the origin. So OA will be the normal vector. So and we found A is given. We will find AX, X minus 1 plus Y plus 2Y and plus Z minus 1K, and N dot XA, sorry, N dot AX will be equal to 0, will be the equation of the line. Find the point of intersection of the line. Find the point of intersection of the line. X is equal to 2t plus 1, Y is equal to 3t plus 2, Z is equal to 4 plus 3t, and the other line X is equal to X plus 2, sorry, X is equal to S plus 2, Y is equal to S plus 4, Z is equal to minus 4S minus 1. And then find the point plane determined by these lines. So find the point of intersection of the two lines. So first of all, we will find the point of intersection of the two lines. Question number 27. X is equal to 2t plus 1, 27. L1. Y is equal to 3t plus 2. Z is equal to 4t plus 3. This is L1. X is equal to 2t plus 7, Y is equal to 3t plus 2, Z is equal to 4t plus 3. These are the these are the parametric equation, the line L1. Now line L2. Yes. X is equal to S plus 2. X is equal to S plus 2, Y is equal to S plus 4. Y is equal to 2S plus 4. And Z is equal to minus 4S minus 1. First of all, we'll find the point of intersection of the two lines. We will find the point of intersection of the two lines. So we suppose that the point of intersection of these two lines is x, y, z. X, y, z. This is the point. This is the point x, y, z. But x is here 2t plus 7. Three t plus 2 and 4t plus 3. This is x by this equation. This is the point of intersection. And in this one, x is equal to s plus 2. That will be equal to, I'm writing over there. X is 2t plus 7. Y is equal to 3t plus 2. And z is equal to 4t plus 3. This is equal to Sx is equal, but x is equal to s plus 2. Y is equal to 2s plus 4. And z is equal to minus 4s minus 1. I suppose that XYZ is the point of intersection of the two lines. Where the two lines are intersecting, that is the point XYZ. So point of intersection will be on both the lines. For example, these are the two lines. They are intersecting over there. So this point is included in this line, and as well as this point is included in this line. The point of intersection is, this is the point of intersection. So point of intersection always be on both the lines. The same point on this line as well as on this line. So therefore, XYZ will be on this line, is this one, and on this line will be this one. This is the same. Both are the same, both are equal. It means 2t plus 7 is equal to s plus 2. 2t plus 7 is equal to s plus 2. And 3t plus 2 is equal to 2s plus 4. And the third one, 4t plus 3 4t plus 3 is equal to minus 4s minus 1. So first of all, we'll solve these two equations to find the values of s and t. This will be 2t minus s is equal to 2 minus 5. 7 will be minus 5. 2t minus s is equal to 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 will be minus 5. This is one equation. And from here also 3t minus 2s minus 2s is equal to 4 minus 2 will be 2. This is the second equation. We will solve these two equations to find the values of S and T. To solve these two equations to find the values of S and T. So this is equation 1. If I multiply by 2 and then subtract from here, so we will get the value of T. T will be eliminated. First equation is multiplied by 2. It will become 4t minus 2s is equal to minus 10. And second equation will be written as it is. Three t minus 2s is equal to 2. This is 2s, this is also 2s, both have the same sign, so it means we will subtract. In subtraction, sign is changed. So this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So it will become t this is cancel and it will become minus 12. So t is minus 12. That value may be substituted in one of the two equations to find the value of S. Substituting in equation first, substituting t is equal to minus 12 in equation 1. Substituting t is equal to minus 12 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2t, 2 into minus 12 minus s is equal to minus 5. So minus 24 and plus 5 is equal to s. So s is equal to minus 19. S is equal to minus 19. This is the value of s, this is the value of t. By putting the value of t minus 12 in this equation, in this point, we will get the xyz, the point of intersection. Up to here, have you understood? Any question? So that I'm rubbing this and further I will do. Okay, any question? No. Okay, I'm rubbing it. So I will put over there. I will put over there to find the value of xyz in this equation or the value as over there. We will get the answer. First I'm putting over there. The value of t is minus 12. That minus 12 will be substituted over there. Minus 12. It will become 2 into minus 12 plus 7, comma 3 into minus 12 plus 2, and 4 into minus 12 plus 3. It will become minus 12 plus 7, minus 24 plus 7, minus 36 plus 2, and minus 48 plus 3, minus 17, minus 34, and minus 45. This is the point of intersection. If I put the value of t minus 12, this is the point of intersection. Now the s is minus 19. I'll put over there s minus 19. Minus 19 plus 2. 2 into minus 19 plus 4. Minus 4 into minus 19 minus 1. It will become minus 17, minus 38 plus 4, and minus minus plus. Sorry, minus minus plus. 19 fours are 37, 57, 76. Minus 17, minus 34, and 75. That was question number 27. Okay. So the last point is different. The last coordinate is different. The last coordinate is different, but the first two coordinates are the same. But the first two coordinates are the same. So we may take any one of the 2 points. This one, we will take this one. There may be some mistake, therefore the third one is different. Otherwise, they all should be equal. They all should be equal. So the two coordinates are same. The third coordinate is different. There might be some mistake which is leading to the wrong answer, the third coordinate. If we do carefully, so we will get the same answer. Okay, no problem. That was the first part. We found this is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. So now we have to find the equation of the plane. Our focus is on the equation of the plane. So this is the point. We will consider this point as the point of intersection, and we'll take the line, this one, 2t plus 3 x is equal to, I'm again writing the equation of the line, x is equal to 2t plus 7. Y is equal to 3t plus 2, and z is equal to 4t plus 3. This is the equation of the line. So the vector parallel to this one will be v1. That will be 2i plus 3j plus 4k. 2i, the number associated with t, that will be the coefficient of I. And here in the y, the number associated with t will be the j coordinate. And with z, the number associated with t will be the k coordinate. So this is 2i plus 3j plus 4k. And the second equation is, this is L1. Now L2, x is equal to s plus 2, y is equal to 2s plus 4, and z is equal to minus 4 minus 4s minus 1. So we'll find the vector v2. This is 1s, so 1i, 2s plus 2j minus 4s minus 4k. This is the vector v2. v1 is this one, v2 is this one. We will find the normal vector by taking the intersection of these two, because we have to find the normal vector. Normal vector will be the cross product of the two vectors, because the normal vector will, the cross product of the two vectors always be normal to both the vectors. So we'll take the cross product to find the normal. N will be equal to v1 cross v2. I, j, k. v1 2 3 4, v2 1 2 minus 4. That will become I. We'll leave this column, this row, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, and minus 4 into 2 will be 8. Minus j, leave this column, they will leave this row. Minus 8 minus 4 plus k. Leave this column, leave this row, 4 minus 3. It will become minus 20i minus minus plus 12j and plus k. This is the normal vector. This is the normal vector. So we found n. Now we will find p naught x. This point will be considered as p naught. The point of intersection will be considered as P naught, and we will take a line X, the point X on the plane. Let X comma Y comma Z is a point on the plane. Therefore, P naught Px, this is the point P. So Px, we will find the vector Px. Therefore, Px vector will be equal to x plus 17. X minus x naught means x plus 17I plus y plus 34j plus z plus 45k. I will write here or there. X plus 17I plus y plus 34j plus z plus 45k equal to, this is the norm